This is the Scalper's Gold Update for April 26th. Here's the daily YM current contract. If you remember, if you've been watching these videos, here was our Scalper's Gold long on the daily at 69.68. That was back on March 12th that triggered long. Got our first stop here, 73.79. This was at our stop moved up here where this red dot is. That was at 76.49, and then moved up one more time here. That was around 77.24. And you can see we came up, it's almost about 1,000 points in here from the entry up to where we're currently trading. So a nice move up, but where are we going from here? Well, you can see as we've kind of leveled off, you see here's our 50-day. We had our downtrend, and now it's flattening out here. Here's our 13S, that's our bull bear line. And you can see in here they started to trade. You see we get this market structure high, immediately followed by a market structure low, immediately followed by a market structure high, immediately followed by a market structure low. So we've got some consolidation going here. Now we're still trading above the 13S, so things are more bullish than bearish. We've got this, show here your daily market structure low here. We've got a long trigger up here. Here's where we opened the Globex session here, so we're currently trading lower in the Globex session this Sunday night. Here's support, that 13S support here. So if they can get up here, tomorrow, Monday, they'll trigger that long. If not, we'll get another market structure high and more consolidation when they chop around this 13S, this bull bear line here. But the thing that we've been watching, more importantly, and kind of bigger picture, is on the monthly. As we only have a few trading days left in the month, this is going to be the kind of important. You can see we talked about this before. Here's this little red line is our monthly 5 period. You can see you've got to go all the way back to May of last year, 2008. It was the last time that we got a close above that monthly 5 period. And we have a chance this month to close above that monthly 5 period. So we're going to have to see if they can hold up here and get a close above that or not. If not, if they fail to close above there, then we could see this kind of pattern. This be next month's candle, and then the following month, and we could be testing this low. If we do get a close above this 5 period, then we might see we've got this market structure low here, and wherever this closes out, we'll get a long trigger up in here. And next month, if we kind of do this, and maybe we test this 13S at some point, 9,500, 9,400 area. So those are just kind of the two scenarios to watch for, but this will be significant on the monthly. Let's take a look at this. I'll bring in the 3-minute chart from Thursday's trading. Go back. We'll just kind of go through the trades in the 3-minute YM. Okay, here was the opening candle here. We wait at least a couple of minutes before we get into anything. So we ignored that first signal here, and you notice the trend was red, which means we're only looking for short trades. So the first short trade there was at 78.06. That came down, got put this back over here, got as low as 77.67. So you had plenty of room to work with there. But your final stop there was 78.07, basically your entry for basically a flat trade there. And the next short there, our trend was still short, so it was okay to take the short there at 78.01. And that got down to 77.54, so almost 50 points there, before it came back up and stopped here at 77.87. Now we don't take that signal long because the trend is saying that only take shorts here. So you made a little bit there. Had a long signal here that we don't take because the trend is saying still, only take short trades. We had a short signal here, but the trend said only take long trades, so we ignore that. We got a neutral trend here. We get a long signal, so it's okay to take that at 78.58 and got up to 7,900. 40 points to play with there, but if you just held to the stop, it just made a few points there from 58 to 63. 63 you could have reversed and gone short since this trend was neutral, and that stopped at 78.47. So a little better than 10 points on the short there, and the trend had changed to neutral, so it's okay to go long or short. So this long here at 78.47 would end up being the last trade of the day to the long side, and that went for up to right here, actually 79.47, 100-point move there. So a very nice Thursday there. Probably had so you had about 4 winners and 1 loser, which is actually trading at a pretty high percentage for this system. Usually trades around 40% winners to losers, so that was pretty high on a Thursday with a nice big move at the end of the day. But that's what the Scalper's goal aims to do, is to be able to capture the big moves while keeping the trades that don't fall through, though you can get some nice trades there by taking targets. But the goal is to try to get in one that is going to give you at least 100 points in the YM, or 10 points in the ES, 8 or 10 points in the Russell, and so forth. So that's what we were able to accomplish there on Thursday. And you get a few trades like those during the month, and you can pretty much set up your month and take the rest of the month off. Okay, anyway, that's it for this week. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you again next week.